Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1 to 3 counting. Brown color, dark green color, red color, yellow color, light green color, chocolate color, light brown color and grey color and red color. Let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 Red color. 1 O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R E 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5 6 S I X 6 Blue color. 7 SEVEN 7 8 EIGHT 8 9 NINE 9 10 TEN 10 11 ELEVEN 11 12 TWELV 12. So kids, we learn what we learned today. We learn 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.